Ever felt like your work communication was scattered across a dozen different apps? Missed calls, lost messages, juggling voicemails, and trying to remember which platform had that crucial file? Yeah, me too. Honestly, it's a digital jungle out there. We're all trying to stay connected, to collaborate, to be productive, but sometimes the very tools meant to help us end up adding to the chaos. Think about it. You're on a call with a client, you need to share a document, but it's buried in your email. Then your boss sends a message on your team chat, and you're trying to switch between apps without dropping the call. Suddenly, you're juggling a digital circus, and the focus is lost. It's frustrating, right? That's the problem 8x8 Work aims to solve. It's positioned as a unified communications platform, a single hub for all your business communication needs. But the big question is, does it really deliver? And more importantly, how do you actually use it? Today, we're diving deep into the 8x8 Work app, exploring its features, and showing you how to streamline your communication workflow. We're going to break down the basics, tackle some common questions, and get you up and running so you can finally ditch that digital juggling act. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is 8x8 Work? At its core, it's a cloud-based communication and collaboration platform. Think of it as a central command center for your business communication. It integrates phone calls, video conferencing, team messaging, and even contact center functionalities into one app. It's designed to allow you to communicate with colleagues and clients seamlessly, regardless of your location. Now, let's get practical. You've downloaded the app, logged in, and you're staring at the main interface. Where do you start? The first thing you'll notice is the intuitive layout. Typically, you'll see tabs or sections for calls, contacts, messages, meetings, and sometimes, depending on your organization's setup, a contact center or similar section. Let's break down each of these sections. Calls. This is your virtual phone. You can make and receive calls, check your call history, and access your voicemail. If you're used to a traditional desk phone, this is where you'll feel right at home. You can dial numbers directly, search your contacts, and even transfer calls. One of the key advantages here is that you can make and receive business calls from your mobile device, using your business number without revealing your personal number. This is a game changer for remote work or when you're on the go. Contacts. This is your digital address book, but more powerful. You can import contacts from your phone, your email, or your company directory. You can create groups, add notes, and even see the availability status of your colleagues. This makes it easy to find the right person and connect with them quickly. Messages. This is your team messaging platform. It's where you can chat with your colleagues, create group conversations, share files, and even collaborate on documents. Think of it as a central hub for internal communication. You can create channels for different teams or projects, and you can even integrate with other apps like Google Drive or Dropbox. This allows for seamless file sharing and collaboration. Meetings. This is your video conferencing platform. You can schedule meetings, join meetings, and even record meetings. You can share your screen, use virtual backgrounds, and even use breakout rooms. This is essential for remote teams or for connecting with clients who are located in different locations. Now, let's talk about some specific features that can really boost your productivity. Call handling. 8x8 Work offers a range of call handling features, including call forwarding, call waiting, and call transfer. You can also set up voicemail greetings and even transcribe your voicemails into text. This can save you time and make it easier to manage your calls. Presence indicators. This feature shows you the availability status of your colleagues. You can see if they're online, offline, busy, or away. This can help you avoid interrupting them when they're busy, and it can also help you find someone who's available to chat. Screen sharing. This feature allows you to share your screen with other participants in a meeting. This is essential for presentations, demonstrations, and collaborative work. File sharing. You can share files directly within the app, whether it's in a chat message or during a meeting. This makes it easy to collaborate on documents and share information with your team. Integrations. 8x8 Work integrates with a range of other apps, including CRM systems, productivity tools, and other business applications. This allows you to streamline your workflow and avoid switching between different apps. Now, let's address some common questions. How do I set up my voicemail? Setting up your voicemail is simple. Go to the Calls section, tap on the voicemail icon, and follow the prompts. You can record a custom greeting, set up a PIN, and even choose to receive voicemail notifications via email. How do I create a group chat? Creating a group chat is easy. Go to the Messages section, tap on the new message icon, and select the contacts you want to include in the group. You can give the group a name, add a description, and even set a group photo. How do I schedule a meeting? Scheduling a meeting is straightforward. Go to the Meetings section, tap on the Schedule Meeting icon, and fill in the meeting details. You can add participants, set a date and time, and even add a meeting agenda. How do I share my screen during a meeting? Sharing your screen is simple. During a meeting, tap on the Share Screen icon and select the window or application you want to share. You can also choose to share your entire desktop. How do I integrate 8x8 work with other apps? The integration process varies depending on the app you want to integrate. Typically, you'll need to go to the Integration section in the app settings and follow the instructions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.